How to make money on Outlier.ea. What if you could boost your revenue by spotting hidden opportunities and avoiding costly mistakes automatically? Outlier.ea helps businesses to turn data into dollars by identifying critical trends and anomalies in real time. Learn how you can start earning more with less effort by leveraging the power of EA. Don't miss out on the chance to grow your profits with our guide now. Hey guys, and welcome in this video. I'll show you how you can earn money on Outlier.ea. So first of all, I have to open your browser and type into Outlier.ea. So what is Outlier? Outlier is a data analytics platform that leverages artificial intelligence to detect critical changes and anomalies within business data. It is designed to help companies identify unexpected patterns and relationships in their data, offering actionable insights that can improve customer experience and drive business growth. The platform integrates with various data sources such as Salesforce, Google Analytics, and Amazon Redshift, allowing for comprehensive analysis across multiple datasets. Key features include automatic anomaly detection, multi-source integration, and data visualization tools. So let's come back to the top here. So here we have how you can start your inscription. So you write your email address and your password, then you log in, and about your first inscription, all you have to do is click over sign up and write your personal information, and you get started with Outlier. So then you have your view opportunities. You can just click over it and you will find various jobs here. You can also search about what you want. Then we have your coders. As you can see, we have generalist, languages also, and we have the second page here. We have languages also here, and we have quality assurance. So you can just click over the one you are, and then you get started with it. Then you have your specialists. So to make money using Outlier.ea, businesses can harness the platform's powerful AI-driven insights to identify hidden opportunities, optimize operations, prevent losses, and improve decision making. First, by analyzing sales trends and customer behavior, Outlier can uncover emerging opportunities such as identifying which products or services are gaining popularity or which customer segments are most profitable, enabling targeted marketing and sales efforts. Additionally, the platform helps optimize operation by detecting anomalies in cost data or inefficiencies in supply chains, leading to cost reduction and improved profit margins. Inventory management also benefits, as demand patterns can be analyzed to maintain optimal stock levels, avoiding the cost associated with overstocking or stockout. Furthermore, Outlier aids in preventing losses by identifying unusual transactions that might indicate fraud and spotting early signs of customer churn, allowing businesses to take proactive measures to return customers and maintain revenue. Finally, the insights provided by Outlier.ea support data-driven decision-making, ensuring that businesses' strategies are informed by accurate real-time data, ultimately and leading to more effective and profitable outcomes. So let's come back to the home page. So we have various information about how it works with Outlier. Now the first thing is ship the next generation of EA with your expertise. Get paid training cutting edge EA on your own schedule. We have here 40,000 experts, 100 million paid out. You have 3.4 million assignments. And if you scroll down, you have also here share your expertise and get paid working where and when you want. Then also we have here share your knowledge. Everyone's an expert at something. Share your expertise and help make EA more human. Then connect with fellow experts. Join our community to work alongside like-minded experts in your domain. Get paid on your terms, earn competitive pay while enjoying the flexibility to work where and when you want. Then we have a joint community of innovators. Our EA trainers come from all backgrounds and have expertise in everything from organic chemistry to creative writing. Have a generalist, math, chemistry, law, history, coding, data science, and also more than 30 other expert domains. Then you have your building great EA is craft. EA training is never boring. Create your account and try a simple task in your area of expertise. We have the first thing is weighting and ranking. Weighting or ranking assignments ask contributors to identify the best model responses out of two or more options until the content is high quality enough to be accepted in a review process. Contributors may also be asked to justify their selection in relation to specific criteria or factors. We have your open right. With an open-right assignment, experts provide a starting point or a specific context for an EA model to expand upon. These prompts can vary widely depending on the desired output and the task at hand. Writing prompts can be simple sentence questions or descriptions meant to elicit a response from the EA model. Then we have the last one, it's multimodal. Multimodal assignments help train models generate and classify information from multiple modalities including images, audio, or video. For example, experts might train the model to generate a story or a description based on visual content. Then we have your EA training is never boring. Create your account and try a simple task in your area of expertise. So a quick overview opportunities and then you have it. So you can just also read this comments that people who start with author and get succeed with it. Then we have here some fix you can just read to understand, like the definition of Outlier, how you can get started. Then we have qualification also here, then about payment, hours also. And the last thing here we have some terms of use, community guidelines, privacy policy, working location policy, cookies policy, data processing, and addendum. So you can just click over the one you want to know and then you know more about Outlier.ea. So making money on Outlier involves participating in projects that help train and refine EA models. Contributors work as independent contractors and can choose how many hours they want to work each week, making it flexible for different schedules. Pay is competitive and is based on the complexity of the tasks, your qualification, and your performance. Payment is typically made weekly via PayPal or other methods. Additionally, some projects may offer rewards or compulsory onboarding programs or for exceptional performance which can increase earnings. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful and see you again in the next video. But before all of that, you have to click over fake here. We have here some frequently asked questions also. We have to read it to more understand about this website. We have also student employment. So you click over here and you get your answer. Then also here also here and here also. So like here in this full-time work, what type of employment is this? Then here will I be working directly? Do I need to go? Day to work, today work here. So if you read these answers and know more, so you can get started without find any problem here in this website Outlier. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful and see you again in the next video.